In this short tutorial, we're going to see how we can improve the performance of our computer, erasing the junk files.
First press menu and R key and say time. The time that follow Latin person, tempo person and pressing enter.
We will see a new window with a lot of files. Well, these files are what we are going to erase.
Now select all the file and pressing mouse right click in select, erase, or move on recycling bin.
This is a way to do it. The other option is
install the cleaning program. Open in up the wheel, see the window. The first one is a window to clean system file.
click at Analyze. This process can take several minutes. When the process is over, execute the cleaner.
The second one is a window that gives the chance to erase junk file of different kind of software as web browse multimedia.
This window on the side we clean it the same that the last one, so we click on Analyze button, then we wait until the program finish, then we click on Execute Cleaner, and done.